Welcome to Muhaddam House Museum, a historic Courtyard-era mansion in the heart of Tehran. Originally a private residence, it was later transformed into a museum, preserving centuries of Persian heritage. At the center lies a tranquil courtyard pool, reflecting the elegance of the surrounding architecture. The walls are adorned with richly decorated tiles, showcasing the mastery of Persian artisans. Graceful arches and slender columns create harmony throughout the courtyards, guiding the eye from one space to the next. Verandas connect the rooms to the gardens, blending indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. Intricate patterns in the tiles tell stories of Persian culture, history, and artistic tradition. Every wall, every arch reflects the elegance and timeless beauty of this remarkable museum. Symmetrical arches and columns stand in quiet balance, guiding visitors through the courtyard. Decorative tile panels reveal centuries of craftsmanship, from geometric designs to floral motifs. Still waters mirror the sky and the building, enhancing the serene atmosphere. Lush greenery frames the architecture, blending nature and historic design seamlessly. Standing before the largest tile wall, you can appreciate the depth of Persian artistic tradition. As we close, the final courtyard view reminds us of the serene beauty and cultural richness preserved within Muhaddam House Museum.